Let's review how the templates stored in Autodesk Vault can be used in electrical. First, we will retrieve the template folder to the local workspace. This is not required if we start later on to create new projects and drawings from Vault, but this is required if we start from scratch within AutoCAD Electrical. So we did this for a first project, and right now we see that the project descriptions are simply listed as line 1 to line N. In the Vault you find already a mapping file to replace the labels line 1 by project title, line 2 by project description, etc. This file is stored in Vault, but to let Electrical know that this file can be used as a default, we have to add the path of the local templates to the support path of AutoCAD. Once this is done, you see all listed descriptions are available in the project.